Hello everyone, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this pork curry today. We're kind of Sri Lankan style. So let's get started. In my pot, I've got oil in there, and of course I'm going to be using coconut oil. I'm going to add a nice large piece of cinnamon. You don't have to add the amount that I'm putting. I just want a big piece in there. Next up, we're going to go with our pork. I've got like 2 pounds there, just under a kilo of pork. There's no bone in that. Nice little bit of fat, I want that in there, and you can see that I've cut it into kind of bite-sized pieces. We're on an above medium heat at this stage. We're going to add salt to the mix and black pepper. Quite a lot of black pepper I'm going with this one today. So we're going to stay on this medium heat, or above medium heat, sorry, and we're going to just spin that around and give it a go for about 4 to 5 minutes, just to kind of seal it and get all of those beautiful meats moving. Okay, next up, I've got like 1 cup of onion there. I'm using red onion. That's cut, as you can see, into those pieces. You can cut it if you want smaller. A little mix in there. Now, chili powder. The amount's entirely up to you. 2 teaspoons of roasted curry powder. You can add more if you wanted. Now, in Sri Lanka, they use roasted curry powder and unroasted. For this one, we're using roasted. Turmeric. Some chili flakes, kind of optional, but I really like that in there. These are all kind of teaspoons you're seeing going at the moment. Again, give that a little mix. We're going to spin that around for about 3 to 4 more minutes. It's really simple, this dish, and delicious. Fabulous stuff. This is a kind of nice quality pork, so it's going to cook fairly quickly. Next up, here we go. We're going to get some coconut milk in there. I think they're like 100 ml each or something, something like that. I'm going to get a couple of those in there. Cinnamon, coconut milk, coconut oil, really, really quite Sri Lankan. Nice little mix. We're going to lower the heat now, get it on a kind of rolling boil, as you can see, and we're going to go for about another 9 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to stir it every now and then. It's kind of reduced and thickened. The meat's beautifully tender. You want to check that for salt. The level's fine for me. That is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.